Titiari 2019.
Tukiriyo ya 2018. Kama wish all the best. Yeah.
No, Jack, go ahead. Itala your comments. Ndona gando makiuga atiriri ati Ethiopia zara me Kenya, so they are living in the future.
Wow. No gororaga gona atiriri. Yeah, gorago na atiriri. Mena metaga ino, you know, the normal calendar ithu turatumira ya githungu, the English calendar.
Ni mare calendar.
Koguo ni mahota gu switch na ihenya muno.
By the way, mimi nataka kuwa Ethiopia sai tuko 2018. Miaka yangu iliyoliwa na nzige narudisha.
Nimerwo kiria kiko makora 2020. Kuma
2020. Wow. Miaka yangu iliyoliwa na nzige. Nimerudi ona miaka isi 2018 na miaka igana nimerudi huko. Nimerudi.
No gwiciria Ethiopia gitumikiria matahudagira calendar iria tuhudhagira na mithu ni twa colonizirwo. Ethiopia matia colonizirwo. Koguo matithiaga na njira ya muthungu. O mafuataga.
Onikara mara mesa the English calendar.
Yes. Okay. Todo matia colonizirwo.
But that just shows live your life. Calendar should not define us. Mauduma mothe mokiro kurehe structure. Wewe ukiamka ukisikia uko na, by the way hata sasa nimerudi 20 years. Wewe ishi tu life. Mauduma maigi mokire ni formality. Na taruginya Kinothia arenda gwikirwo uterus. Unaona venye na washu. Kinothia by the way amesema
live the way you want.
Live the way you want. Kinothia ameangalia kaona anahitajio kitu.
Anakiririo guarona.
By the way hii kitu inasaidianga wa mama sana.
Takogoroka titati.
Modo cia kwenda tumurehe by the way. No nera asati Kinothia ucio waku gwetita kugoroka titati.
Mutirenda Kinothia.
Asa Kinothia ne ogioka no wega no tumugeithia kiaragia Gikuyu. Nizo tiambagua. No mundu toi Kinothia ni riu Kinothia
socialite.
Ni socialite ucio.
Niare namba nyingi muno kuria online.
Yeah, especially TikTok. I think TikTok nio yatumire amenyeke.
Yes.
Kamona keka pum gekagira ta
ni tondu agitagwo Kelvin Kinothia na giru ni ritwa ria mwanake no ni ekiraga muno ta mutumia. Yes, na riu ni aroneka ni arenda gukorwo riu ni areriria andu has shocked many fans revealing plans to undergo a uterus transplant surgery. Na ndori ndagitari ungi akiaririria hapo ni mrembo.
Na ni msupu unaona hiyo wig.
Ndagitari ungi akiaririria akiuga ni undu utari wekwo Kenya na akamwendithiria wega na I don't know if it's possible. I got 24 year old. Akwa 24.
Yeah, he's 24.
He's too young.
Eni.
Usio tata.
Eni.
Well, okay. Aims to receive a healthy uterus from a donor, a complex procedure that could be, in theory, enable him to carry a pregnancy.
Wow. Yeah. I think Kinothia arenda tumwariririe uturamwariririe.
Na nareka Ozempic as we are talking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, ni arageria ku lose weight na njira ya gugitheswo sidano. Ino ro ndirarituha.
No ninge angikorwo ti showbiz uguo kaba yarauga ri namenya ni muturire wake ite ndogire arathi gwikira UK
do yubu
ate ndo
Kinothia do yubu
just do angikorwo niguo arona wega namenya ndarahuthira mwiri wa mundu arahuthira mwiri wake koguo aigua niguo ekwenda ni athie sawa ndekurio.
I hope it's a very well informed decision. Though surgeries are complicated, especially ugikirwo kindu no giuke kiregane na mwiri waku. It's a lot.
Ni sawa ni athie ni ekirwo uterus ni agia mwana ni aciarwo mwana uyu aronga ki
haku enan
kwena nan. Anyway, au tugutiriha tafari tu ya muthenya wa muthi kila mtu tuambie tunaweza mpata wapi tugethiaga.
Kodu guothe ni Shikafaya SHII Kabaya KABAYA. Please follow me. Dikwenda gudikuya tafadhali boni follow kodu guothe wana post yakwa like YouTube ingia dikwenda kuya tafadhali dikwenda gwika maundu moru ni you know magituma ngorwo ngĩikia mĩtego-inĩ ngĩetha mbeca ndĩrenda gwethera online tafadhali ũrĩa tũngĩka follow pages ciakwa ciothe TikTok na TikTok yakwa like comment Instagram kila mahali YouTube ukiwatch bedhi hata si lazima ulike kama ufollow ukiwatch niguona kanyamu tafadhali munifollow. Thank you so much.
Jack,
you're very much welcome. Leure, last Friday ndagwetirie uhoro wa slots ndiraheana free of charge za cia online writing training na reke ngwire itakinyite haria thi thimu yakanago mwaki no aria makionire slots icio ithano ni macionire kirathi gikwambiriria mweri 24 na ni kirathi kia online writing training tugaga gikorwo wina thimu wina laptop kana laptop imwe wacio internet connection na wina githungu basic no urute wira wa online writing. Kirathi kiu giki kiroka kirambiriria on 24th koguo gikorwo we interested namba ciakwa cikoragwo bio-ini ya Facebook, Instagram kou guothe na uria unginyona kou guothe ritwa ni Jack _Mbogwa.
Yes. Shukran sana wadau nikukuja na kufanya imboka na mimi na walombo top sana na wa love much love asante sana.
Ndio geje modo
siko shikore ko unywe
clock it
ino ni love by the way
love
gatwist hanini
kiana clock it
aya
geidanie
ni the second.
Okay, SKK production salimika sana na Dothi aria majui. Hi guys.
Haya. Tuko tukinikirie no twanirikirie ndimurikanie rucio niguo tugacemania kuria Midnight Gardens ni undu wa mugithi wa Jeff Njoroge na mundu ugwitwo DJ Karis team kigwa kuhihwo murio live on Kameme FM, Kameme TV ndukanatigirwo thutha kuma mathaa ma mugithi all the way mpaka che tukenanire kuguo tusemanie kuo muthenya wa rucio Midnight Gardens kure mwena wa Kibo ni kigwa kuhihwo murio. DJ Giant is in the building no gututirihira Getono Nzizi mwari wa Ngethe gagucokerie gatho ni gutirithania kiumia giki giothe. Asante sana ugie na weekend njega wimenyerere na mwathani akugitire tukonana muthenya wa rucio. Giant na Ikuru Giant tadira we na Ikuru ha atedo cool stay Kunste yes ndronete ni kindetwe taitarona ni undu wa Kikuyu Festival god jahitia na mutafara wa andu amaga perform ni u Kunste na no nyende kumenya niku ingiona energy ni gwabata kure na Ikuru. Please join him, he's an amazing DJ wa gwikena na ekenere kure mwena wa Nakuru na tugakiona na muthenya wa mwambiririo sherehe ijipe tuonane on Monday. Getono Nzizi mwari wa Ngethe gena weekend njega.
She not feel live without social media. Stalking me with a Finsta, yeah. She dey try make me a mister. Anybody got time for that, Tamina? As you can see, you need plan B. Pregnancy is not for me. Tread carefully, rationally. No try put me for trouble, girl. She asking, boy, what are we? We better be what we have been. No stress me, no fast forward me. She want tackle me with a dream bull baby. And I dey boy like JJ. I dey play home and away. And I dey give them KK. Me where they dribble JJ. And I dey bring my KK. Cause I dey give them KK. She want to dance with kukuruku. Next thing she wanted me to. If it is impromptu, she still coming through. She also gives emotional support too. These girls don't know what they want. Sometimes they want love, also want to do short time. You can't love me, you just to waste your time. Anybody got time for that time, you know? As you can see, you need plan B. Pregnancy is not for me. Tread carefully, rationally. No try put me for trouble, girl. She asked me, what are we? We better be what we have been. No stress me, no fast forward me. She want that me with a dream, baby. And I dey ball like JJ. I dey play home and away. And I dey give them me with a dream, JJ.
Nakupanga Waro safi mirista bila maneno. Jumisi plamba soda kuwa mageko. Kadem kakoracho manze surani ongongo. Dab life later diang na kuna kunego. Na sijaanza bado ni intro kidogo. Nauliza kina nani jina kubwa soma logo. Ini ya wale wajanja wakutamasha na kirol kiset man. Ina mi brain and I feel like I gonna bad on the real life. Ni hard nacheza kokodile ni kule yangu kidogo.
Life ni short lakini yangu ni toja. Skiza dogo bana msaga tas racy. Lakini kweli toka siku za corona life imekuwa ni kila siku. One time waka cheza dogo zitu nice juice tu zime nice. Mwana sema originally yani cheza dogo zitu nice juice tu zime nice. La 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 ako kapenika area na kakitaka mwichapa na kula kiapo ndai hapa aje sit down on it nikirusha mamistare viungo wene nguwa mwili hatare wine and cut nishikishe male twende maeneo chuma ilale ndani boy kijana wa ingo napenda njugu na mukombero kingoma style napenda mastingo kifo cha mende ama wagido.
Kameme TV, Muthegi wa Ruriri.
People Daily, Kenya's trusted newspaper, is making history as the first daily to go fully digital. By transitioning from print to the PD News app, we are delivering the same exceptional journalism you've relied on for years in a completely new way to experience it. It's news for today and the future. No paper, no waste. Just real-time updates and customizable stories. This is a leap towards innovation, sustainability, and a better experience for you, our reader. Download the PD app now on Play Store and App Store. People Daily. News that moves with you.
This November, K24 TV brings you the mother of all reggae shows. It is the Good Vibes Festival with Luciano live in concert. Samir say, man was made to serve Jah. Let's go, Luci! Drop it. And together we live for this concert will be held at the ASK The Dome Jamhuri Park Showground on the 22nd of November. Book your ticket sasa hivi kupitia Little Events Ticketing. Advance tickets ni 2K for regular, VIP 4K, VVIP ni 6K. Kwa get itakuwa ni 25 for regular, 5K for VIP na 8K for VVIP. You can't afford to miss this, me brother, me sister. It was a lonely night. Gari ni Isuzu Single Cab, year of manufacture 2012. Sisi power yake ni 2500. Je, unatamani kupeleka bizi yako mbele na Isuzu Single Cab? Basi njoo ufanye chaguo lako hapa DSM Place Kijabe Street na uweke bidi yako, au piga simu 0741 54 3140 0741 54 3140 sasa hivi.
Kuma Kirinyaga, Kiri Biroiro, Kiajahi, Mutaburuko wa Nyandarua. Orerorera Kameme TV.